Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you own a 2025 Acura MDX and you have the hands-free tailgate as this model is equipped, and no matter what you do, no matter how many times you kick your foot under the bumper, maybe even you swipe across like that just to make sure that the sensor is picking up your foot and it doesn't open, let me show you what to do. You don't need to go to the dealership. You don't need to get on the phone with anybody. You just need to hop into the driver's seat. We're going to go right here. In fact, what I'm going to do is start here with the screen. We're going to go over to vehicle settings just so you can see this, how it works in real time. And we're going to go down here to power tailgate setup. Now you'll notice down here that we have hands-free access function. It's checked to off. Now we can turn it on right there if we want to, or I'm going to turn that back off. You can click into this feature and go right here and turn it to on. Now you know it's on. Notice the difference. You'll notice that you don't have the illumination right there until you turn it on. So that's how you know. Let's make sure I turn that on. There we go. And that's how you fix that problem. Most likely, that's what's going on. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If it was, please be sure to hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you would like to learn more about the 2025 Acura MDX, check out the pinned comment down in the comments section of this video. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.